Two, three, go. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome po. Welcome to the community. Welcome to our special webinar tonight. Okay? So before tayo mag-start, quote muna tayo from Gary Sukav. Okay? Sabi dito, each decision we make, each action we take is born out of intents for success and failure. Okay? Sabi nga dito, each decision and its action you take in your life. So para po kayo maging failure or para ho kayo maging successful. In other words, sino gusto mag-explain? In other words, you have the power to make a decision and to take action into your life to be successful or to just live in a, let's just say, above average life. So tonight, I know you made a decision. Tonight, I know you made action because you are here. That's why I would like to say congratulations for coming here. This is an intention for you because you want to be financially successful in the financial market. So can you tap yourself? Congratulations. Yes, itap nyo yung mga sarili ninyo. Let me see the camera. Okay, sinong nagtap? Congratulations. Congratulations, self, for coming tonight. Yes, thank you. Si Sir Hill Jr. nagtap. Okay, si Ma'am Maria. Okay. At iba pang mga kasamahan natin. Okay. By the way po guys, during our training or discussion, you can type your questions in the chat box as long as it is relevant or related lang po sa topic po natin. Okay? So some of the questions, kung hindi siya related, doon na lang sa Q&A portion. I'm ready. All right. So, tonight, you're making a decision of your life na pumunta dito. That's why I would like to congratulate you. Okay. So, for tonight's webinar, this is an exclusive webinar, Chart Mastery and Technical Analysis Training Series. Ano po yung ibig sabihin? This is a series po. Ibig pong sabihin, it will not end today. This training, it will just start today. So magsisimula ngayon. At saka by the way guys, this is a serious training about Forex trading. If you want to be successful in Forex trading, you should master the chart. Okay? Kasi it's the chart na titingnan natin bago tayo pumasok sa trade, bago tayo lumabas sa trade. Everything is chart, and to understand that, you need to understand technical analysis. All right? Now, please understand that technical analysis po, medyo mataas po ito na topic. This will take us 10 to 12 modules. Okay? For this series, I prepared 10 to 12 modules for all of us. So, tonight is just an introduction. Okay? So, para po tayo pong lahat malaman natin kung ano ba itong tinatawag natin na technical analysis. This is an exclusive training for our community. Lahat po ay welcome. Alright? Disclaimer lang po, training involves a high-risk business. That's why it's not for everyone. It is a high-risk, high-reward business, and past performance, it's not indicate for future result. Ibig po sabihin, kanya-kanya po tayo ng resulta. Depende po kung sino po yung tawag nito. Depende po kung paano nyo po siya inaral at paano siya tinarbaho. So just like you going to gym, your result is not on the coach. It's not based on the coach, and your result it's not based on gym. Sino pong may 100% accountability kung nagkakaresulta siya sa gym? So tayo sa sarili natin. In other words, kung maging financial successful ka dito, sino mag-i-enjoy? Sinong mag-withdraw? Sige nga, palagay nga sa chat. Sinong gustong mag-withdraw sa resulta sa Forex trading nila? Okay? Okay lang po, yung hindi gusto mag-withdraw, pwede kayong mag-deposit. Bibigyan ko kayo ng link. But kung gusto nyo mag-withdraw, because this is the reason that we are here, yung mag-withdraw po, yung kita nyo po dito sa Forex trading, kayo po yung mag-i-enjoy niyan. Okay? Hindi po ako. Hindi po yung the rest of the community. Ikaw po. So, sino yung makikinabang? Kayo din po. So, ibig sabihin, sino yung mag-aaral? Sino yung tatrabaho? Kayo din po. Bonus lang po yung community. Bonus lang po may access tayo. sa mga ganitong klaseng trainings. Bonus lang po may mga access tayo sa mga tools and everything. But at the end of the day, it is you who determines whether you will be successful or not in this industry. So for tonight, it's just a start of the rest of the series. Tinatawag natin po ito na chart mastery. Tonight, I'll be talking about the importance of technical analysis in trading. Have you heard about technical analysis in trading? Okay. So, can you drop anong ibig sabihin in one word or two words? Anong ibig sabihin without looking at Google? On the comment kung anong ibig sabihin. Pag nakarinig kayo ng technical analysis, what word or words that come out first, lalabas po sa isip ninyo when you heard about the word technical analysis? Because tonight, we will be talking about the importance. Charting, thank you. I like that. Charting ha, hindi charring. If you remove the T, ang tawag dyan, charring. So that's an expression po sa mga Bisaya. So it's deep. Wow. It's brainstorming. Wow. It's my storm. I like that answer from J Claveria. Interpreting. Technique. I like that answer. That's true. Tama ho. Okay. So yung iba, analysis. Okay? Kaya nga, technical analysis. Okay? Hulalisis. Hinuhulaan natin yung market. Analyze the market with price, sabi ni Engineer Green. Analyzing, sabi ni Luz Bimindo. Okay? Learning. Tama ho. Indicator and charting. Okay. Yan, tama ho lahat. Evaluating the financial market statistics trend. Oy, medyo mahaba to ha. Okay. Knowledge, tama po. So tonight, we will be talking about importance of technical analysis. Bakit kailangan natin aralin yung technical analysis in Forex trading? By the way, the best strategy you can do in Forex trading is to learn and to learn and to learn and to learn. Okay? And apply. So that's the best strategy. Okay po. Start po tayo. Why technical analysis important? Bakit ho importante ang technical analysis? Sige nga. Sige nga. Pa-answer nga. Bakit ho importante? So, by the way guys, this is an interactive ha? Interactive because this is training. So, this is not seminar. So, it should be interacting and then para po medyo mabilis lang tayo, you can feel free to interact dun sa chat box po natin. Right now, nakatingin ako, may nag-shout out kay Green Chill or kay Engineer. To be successful in trading, to know, to open the trade. Tama ho yan. The right decision in entry. Tama ho. Minimize losses, zero losses, so that I may have a plan. Okay. That's very good. Sino dito yung they want to be honest to themselves at sasabihin nila, wala po talaga akong alam sa Forex trading. Zero ha. Sa ngayon po, wala po. Zero talaga ako. I'm not sure kung ano yung pinapasukan ko. So that let me know kung marami kayo, we can have a very as much as possible, I will make this one as simple as possible. Yung mga terms, hanggang terms lang yan, but I'll making it as simple as I can, and thank you for your honesty. Opportunities me. Yeah, thank you. Salamat po sa honesty niyo. Okay. Okay po. Thank you po for muting your cell phone. All right. Why technical analysis is important? Okay po. Technical analysis is a method. By the way, this is the definition. Technical analysis is a method of analyzing the historical and current market data to, this is important, to predict the future price movement. Para ho natin malaman kung ano yung direction sa market. Okay, ano po yung gagawin natin? Ano po yung action na gagawin natin? Tatlong action po ang gagawin natin kung mayroon na tayong opportunity. Tatlong position po or tatlong action ang gagawin natin. Okay? Sino yung makasagot? Kung na-analyze mo na yung market, gusto mo nang pumasok, tatlong position po ang pwede mong gawin. Pwede ka mag-answer ng dalawa. What are the two basic position na pwede mong gawin? Ang clue dito is market execution. Okay? Market entry out, pwede. Two, buy and sell, pwede. But I'm asking for three. Anong tatlong pwede mong gawin kapag ka na-analyze mo na yung market? Okay? Buy and sell, that's true. That's true. That's correct. Pero mayroon pang isa. Buy, sell, confirmation. That's true. Tama. Okay. Buy, sell, backtest. Ah, grabe. Backtest naman kagad. Scalping na kagad. Grabe. Buy, sell, and take profit. Wow! Kaka-take profit pa lang. Buy na kaagad. Kaka-buy pa lang. TP na kaagad. Possession. What kind of possession? Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your interaction. Stop loss. Tama. Maglalagay tayo ng stop loss. Entry, SLTP. Tama. Okay. But sa tatlo po ay sagot po niyan. Magbabay po kayo. Magsisell po kayo. At ang pangatlo, wala po kayong gagawin. Okay? Wala po kayong gagawin. Not all opportunities na kailangan mo siyang pasukin. Bakit kailangan? Ba't wala kang gagawin? If you're not sure, this is tip number 1, and this is very important tip to keep your money secure. If you're not sure of your decision, especially if this is live account, if you're not sure to buy, you're not sure to sell, number 3, wag muna. Wag ka munang pumasok. Kung hindi ka sigurado, wag ka munang pumasok because sayang ang kapital mo, kaya maraming nasusunugan kasi hinuhula lang nila. Okay? By the way, guys, hulalysis, naghuhula is not a replacement of technical analysis. Study shows that hulalysis or hula-hula will only give you 5% win rate if hinuhula po natin yung market. Alright, let me continue. Okay? By mastering technical analysis is you will gain skills. Okay? Skills. Ano po ibig sabihin natin skills? Skills to navigate the market. Ibig sabihin, itong technical analysis, na-develop po yung trading skills mo. And mind you guys, trading skills is one of the highest paying skills. Highest paying skills. Kung malaman mo ito, kung ma-master mo ito, pwede kang kumita ng 7-digit or let's just say 6-digit in 1 day. In 1 day of trading alone. And I have a lot of friends who do that. Pwede kang kumita ng 7-digit in 1 month or even in 1 day. So, kailangan mo siyang aralin. So, worth it ba ng aralin mo? Yes. Sabihin na natin yung pag-aaral mo today that will gain you like only kahit 100 USD per trade. Lugi ka na ba? Dahil sa skills mo, natutunan nyo yung marketing analysis? Lugi ka na ba? Hindi. That's 100 USD per day. Diba? So, ito maraming kumikita. We'll just talk with Sir Eman and yung mga kasama natin, sila George, grabe, mag-trade. 500 USD in 1 day, 700 USD in 1 day. Dati yan, 100 to 200 lang USD in 1 day. So, nadidevelop nila yung skills nila. That will gain you confidence and precision. Other words is accuracy. Para ho, maging accuracy po tayo. Ibig sabihin, if you're accurate po, mataas po yung win rate po natin. So, madali tayong manalo sa trade. Alright, why? Ito, start na tayo guys. Number 1. What is the importance? Why technical analysis is so important? Number 1 is for you to identify trends and structures. Ang market po is based po ng trend. Uptrend, downtrend, and structures. It helps you to recognize the market trends and patterns. Okay, for example, this one. Guys, what kind of trade is this? Wow. Sa akin, sir, 800 USD per day. Wow, congratulations. Okay. Grabe. Sir, community, I have to leave. Oh, thank you. All right. Go ahead, my brother. Ingat po. What kind of trend? Bullish, tama. Uptrend, tama. How do you know that it's an uptrend? Excuse me po. Parang si Mike Enriquez, ah. Going up. Going once, going twice. How do you know it's an uptrend? Okay. Kasi po, mayroon tama si Regan. Kasi po, mayroon tayong tinatawag na higher higher. Higher high, higher low. All right, let me just, this one is Wait, drawing. Okay. The first higher high, and then higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and the market could be changed. Okay. So, at least mayroon siyang tatlong tip para masasabi mo na siya ay tinatawag natin na uptrend. Okay, ang gagaling nyo ah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So, hindi yung ibig sabihin na ano lang, okay, dapat meron siyang higher high. Same also with this one, guys. What trend is this? Is this uptrend or this is downtrend? What trend is this? Uptrend or this is actually the chart of gold last Friday or last Thursday rather, last Thursday. XAU USD. What kind of trade? Raging, pwede, pwede. Uptrend, okay. Sideways, pwede. Wow, ang gagaling nyo na. Ang gagaling nyo na. Okay. So for this illustration, pwede siyang, this one, it could be downtrend. So mayroon siyang, by the way, downtrend is lower low, lower high. Okay. Lower low, lower high. Kung i-draw natin ito, lower low. Oh wait, ibang kulay. Up, downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So it's a downtrend. And then nag-change yung market, nag-shift yung market, nag-consolidate, nag-reverse dito, and then nag-start to goes up. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, high high, higher low. Kung titingnan natin yung candle dyan, ayan ang tinatawag natin na market structure. Are you with me? So yan ang tinatawag natin na market structure. Copy? Copy. Bakit importante yung market structure? Ano yung principle of knowing the trend? What is the principle of knowing the trend? Okay, what is the principle? The principle of knowing the trend is your friend. Ibig kong sabihin, mas mataas yung chance mo kapag ka you trade with the trend kasi nasa agos ka lang compared doon sa you trade against the trend. Ang tawag dyan, trend is your friend. Okay, so we will have a deeper training about this one, market structures and the trends and those kind of structures. Pag-usapan natin yan sa mga darating na episode po natin. Okay. Number 2. So, technical analysis will support us kung saan yung entry at saan yung exit points. Always remember na your entry and your exit, doon po na-determine yung kita nyo po. Kung tama yung entry nyo, pwede kayong kumita at tama yung exit nyo, pwede rin kayong kumita. Kung mali yung entry nyo, pwede kayong mag-wait, pwede kayong kumita, pwedeng matalo, at kung mali din yung exit mo, pwedeng mag-break even, pwedeng matalo, pwedeng manalo. Wait, water muna. So technical analysis will help you see kung ano yung support, ano yung entry points, guide you to determine the best times to enter or exit trade for a maximum profit. Okay, that's the important of technical analysis. Okay, by the way guys, ngayon is just an overview muna, overview. We cannot master the chart for just 1 hour. So this is just an overview, but don't worry. At the end of my webinar, may dalawa kong good news. Paano po magpatuloy? Paano po talaga i-master yung chart? At dalawang good news akong ibibigay sa inyo at the end of this webinar. Okay. Based on this example, guys, we are talking about entry and exit. Okay. Based po dito sa mga numbers. Saan po dito maganda yung mag-entry? Number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay? Based po dito sa chart natin. Gold ito Friday. Saan maganda mag-entry? Number 1, number 2, may nagsasabing number 2. Tama ho. Number 2, anong entry natin? Let's go for sell. Sell tayo for number 2. Buy. Saan tayo mag-exit? Pwede tayo mag-exit dito for scalping. Okay. For longer trade, day trade or swing trade, pwede ka mag-exit dito. This one is the safest exit kasi ito yung resistance. Okay. Ay, nakalimutan nyo. Pwede po kayo mag-entry dito sa number 1 for sell possession. Okay. Okay. Number 1 and 2, buy. Ay, hindi. Number 1 is mag-sell tayo dito. So, the market drops. Nag-drop siya. And then, nag-reject. Nag-range. Nag-chop for a little while. Nag-continue. Very strong yung mga sellers. Continue to drop. And then, nag-consolidate a little bit. And then, nag-aagawan. And then, nagkaroon ng doji candle. That means it's a sign of reversal or the momentum stops. Dahan-dahan nag-end yung momentum. Okay. Another doji here. That means na imbis umangat siya, konting nag-consolidate. Okay. And then, bumaliktad yung market because the momentum stops and then the trend shift or the market structure shift. Wow. Grabe to si Lito. Okay, mamaya na yan. Medyo malalim yan. Okay. Confluences yung tanong niya. Okay, mamaya. Medyo advanced ito si Mr. Lito Estoya. Okay, hello bro. Okay. So as much as possible, simplified ko muna kasi maraming mga baguhan. Okay, don't worry. Meron this one is just an introduction. Pero at least, di ba, nawa-warm up na kayo. Wala tayong choice, guys. If you want to be profitable in trading, kailangan nating kainin itong chart. We need to understand. Kailangan nating ma-enjoy. Mayroong mga story dito. May mga story. Every candle, meron siyang story. Okay? Meron siyang story. Okay. Let's do this one. Another. Okay, another. Why is it important to understand technical analysis? Para po maintindihan niyo po yung mga tinatawag natin na reversal pattern. Reversal pattern. Yung mga reverse po, nagre-reverse po sila. Ibig sabihin in Tagalog, bumabaliktad. Okay? Kagaya nito. This one is nagkakaroon ng reversal. Okay? From down to up, nagkakaroon ng reversal. This one is reversal. Ang reversal ho, may mga trend po yan. Isa sa mga trend yan is yung mga tinatawag natin na engulfing. So may maraming trends at patterns na kailangan nating i-recognize. Marami yun yan. May mga single patterns, double patterns, triple top, and even harmonic patterns po na nandyan po sa tinatawag natin na Manara AI pattern. Okay? So yan, pag-uusapan natin. Just to overview, hindi muna natin ito go deep talaga. So si Evening Star, si Three Black Crows, okay? Mga candlestick patterns, okay? Si Morning Star, si Twister Top, di ba? Si Three White Soldier, this one, Three White Soldier. So yan, isa-isahin natin yan. Maintindihan natin. Kapag kasi malaman natin ito, naintindihan natin dito, this one, these patterns, naintindihan natin kung ano yung possible na movement or possible na direction ng chart. Kaya nga, technical analysis is ma-predict natin, kung alam natin, ma-predict natin kung ano yung future movement or direction of the market. Okay. Paano po based on time frame candles? I think this is, anong tawag nito? This question is, anong tawag nito? Relevant based on candle. Okay, wait. So let's say for example, this one. Si time frame po, nagbe-base po ito kung anong tinatawag natin na ano yung kind of trader are you? Okay, what kind of trader are you? Are you more on scalping? Are you more on day trade, swing trade, or swing trade to long-term trade? So, depende yan. So, let's say for example, just a normal trade. Normal trade is scalping and day trade. So, titingnan mo kung ano yung MT5, or MT5 rather, M5, M15. But before that, para malaman mo kung ano talaga yung structure, dun ka sa higher time frame. Mag-start ka sa H1. This is very common, guys, sa mga, especially sa mga, i-click mo yung H1, H4, titingnan mo kung ano yung market structure. Okay? So, kung saan yung structure ng trend, doon ka bias. Ibig sabihin, kung medyo uptrend siya, so naghahanap ka ng opportunity na uptrend. Okay? Kung downtrend siya, maghahanap ka ng opportunity ng downtrend. Kung naman medyo nag-slow down yung momentum, maghahanap ka ng signs of reversal. Kaya importante na mayroon tayong tinatawag na mga patterns po and candlesticks po. Okay? Para maintindihan natin kung ano yung mga signs na pwede natin makita that ito na yung chart, pwede na siyang mag-reverse. Siyempre, kung mag-reverse na siya from downtrend, so pwede ka nang mag-start. But ako, medyo conservative kasi ako. I'm looking for mga confirmations or yung questions po ni Bro Lito, okay, or ni Sir Lito. Okay, mamaya mo natin yung mga confirmation na yan. Basic muna tayo. Okay. So number 4, bakit kailangan nating aralin yung technical analysis? Para maintindihan natin yung support and resistance, guys. This is very important to understand. Very basic but it's very powerful. Nakita nyo naman, those kasama natin sa VIP, yung mga nag-enrolled, master scalper, one of the best scalper na nakikita ko, nag-live trade, scalping, grabe. Isa sa mga strategy niya, simple lang. Support and resistance. Okay. Breakaway, nag-breakaway, trade. Or nag-reject, pwede, nag-bounce, trade. Ganun lang, support and resistance. What is support and resistance? Okay, support and resistance, it's a line or even a zone. This one sa baba. Anong tawag dito sa baba? Hiwi lang ni guys. Kaya mano-mano, Robert, itong drawing, ha? So, sa baba is support. Sa taas, saan ang magandang resistance? Ito yung magandang resistance. Very strong. This one. And this could be another zone. Resistance zone. Okay, zone, resistance zone. But to just simplify everything, this is a very strong resistance. So, nag-break away siya, nag-trade ka hanggang dito, and then bumalik. Okay. Nag-break na naman. So, may mga instances, guys, na yung support magiging resistance and si resistance magiging support. Okay. Let's say, for example, this one. This one is could be support at the same time resistance. This zone could be support and the same time resistance. This one is support pero nag-break siya. Okay? Nag-break siya. This one is resistant rather. Nag-break siya. So, nagiging support siya. Okay? Tapos, nag-chop ang market, nag-range, nag-consolidate. Hindi natin alam kasi nag-close yung market earlier today or earlier today, Saturday. Yeah, tama. So, antabayan natin kung ano yung mangyayari sa gold on Monday. Alright. Okay. So, number 5. Number 5, syempre kapag alam mo na yung market structure, alam mo na yung direction ng market, ma-improve yung decision making mo. Remember that every trade, every profit, and every loss that the result of your trade is a product of your support and resist. Is a product. Nagbasa kasi ako, sabi kasi dito ni Green at saka ni Oy Rumi, support and Reagan resistance. Okay. So, every decision, yun yung every profit and every loss is the product of decision. Kasi ikaw yung nagde-decision, ha? So, ibig sabihin, ikaw yung magte-trade, ha? Hindi po ako, hindi po yung economy. So, ikaw yung nagte-trade. I want you to understand that you only win this one if you take 100% responsibility of your trade. Ano yung ibig sabihin? Di ba kayo mag-i-enjoy pag kumikita kayo? Pag nagkamali naman kayo, it's good na kailangan natin tanggapin. Ay kasi hindi nag-ano si coach, hindi nagbigay ng signal. Kasi mali yung signal, kaya nga wala nga 100%, kaya nga aralin. itong technical analysis natin. Okay? Kailangan siyang aralin. So, yung decision mo, yun yung nagpapanalo sa'yo or yung decision mo, yun yung nagpapatalo sa'yo. Meron din another thing is undecisiveness. Meron kang nakitang opportunity pero yung confident mo mahina, so hindi ka pa nag-decide. Sabi, so sayang, dapat nag-possession ako. Sino nakarelate? So sayang, dapat nag-buy ako. Umakyat, grabe, nag-shoot to the moon. Okay? Sayang, dapat nag-sell ako. So, indecisiveness. Kasi nga, yung, sino nakarelate? Sayang, dapat nag-buy ako. Sayang, di ba? Hindi ka decided kasi hindi ka confident dun sa decision mo. Kaya nga, like I said, you want to be successful in forex trading, kailangan siyang aralin. Especially itong tinatawag natin na technical analysis. Okay, technical analysis. Number 6. By understanding those things na sinishare ko, naka-develop po kayo ng trading strategy. Okay, trading strategy. So feeling mo, sabi, isa sa mga, there's a lot of trading strategy, there's a lot of kind of strategy rather. But habang nagde-demo kayo, habang nag-aaral kayo, eventually you will decide na, siguro I like scalping. Okay. Sino dito gusto nilang scalping? Scalping is just seconds to 5 minutes. Scalping. Sino dito gusto yung day trading? Can you type? Ano yung preference mo? Scalping, day trading, and swing trade. Can you type those preferences? So with those kind of trade, scalping, day. So marami, day, scalping, day. Most likely, day and scalping. Scalping sana eh. Hindi ano. Scalping sana, nag-buy ako eh. Hindi umakyat. Hindi, trading na lang. Ganon. Sell sana. Scalping sana ako. Nag-sell ako. Hindi bumaba. So, nag-day trading na lang. So, nag-change yung strategy. So, parang ganon. So, guys, you will develop your trading strategy kung malalaman mo kung saan yung style. Trading style. So, let's start first yung trading style. Tumpak sinasabi mo, Coach, forex trading kailangan talagang pag-aralin. Kaya nga nandito kayo and congratulations. Mamaya po, mayroon po ako mechanic kung paano nyo ito ipagpatuloy. Itong tinatawag. By the way guys, bihira lang yung ganitong klaseng training. Hindi po lahat nagkakandak ng mga training na ganito kasi hindi po ito basta-basta. This is technical. Kailangan, binagsak mo ito, kailangan inaral mo at na-experience mo sa medyo mataas na panahon. Okay. Aral muna bago mag-trade. Pwede naman. Trade and then aral. So, aral bago mag-trade. Pwede naman mag-aral ka, mag-trade ka demo or send account lang to minimize your part ng risk management. To yan. Okay. Sino dito nakanood ng risk management natin yung mga 2 weeks ago na topic? Maganda yun. I-review ninyo. Okay. So, choosing the kind of style of trading you are, that will develop you the new strategy. Anong strategy ko? Sa akin, si Sir Eman, iba yung strategy ni Sir Eman dati. When I talk with Sir Eman, iba yung strategy niya. Parang support resistance lang. Ngayon, meron na siyang mga head and shoulders. Meron na siyang mga tweezers, di ba? Yung mga grabe, oh. Triple top, mga ganun klaseng strategy na. So, nanidevelop po yan while learning. Okay? Hindi po, wala pong instant. Then you write, this is my favorite. Ito talaga yung favorite ko na pattern. Okay, you're right. Hinahanap mo talaga. Gaya ni yung isang kaibigan din natin, yung pattern niya is lang talaga sa kanya. Butterfly lang talaga. Butterfly lang yung hinihintay niya at wala nang iba. So sa kanya naman 'yun, na-develop niya. At saka naghahanap siya ng confirmation na from the candlestick na engulfing candle. Of course, engulfing is reversal and then butterfly is reversal. So that's a good confirmation. Okay? So yun, trading strategy. Okay. Welcome po, 151. Okay. So you develop your trading strategy as you go. Okay? You develop your strategy as you go along. Okay? So number 6. By the way guys, mamaya mayroon tayong Q&A ha. So feel free to throw your questions. So number 6, trade muna bago aral. improves your accuracy. Siyempre, alam mo na ngayon, di ba? Pero hindi dito na nakuha mo na, alam mo na kaagad. Palaman mo, train mo. Kaya yung training natin, itong chart mastery, ito yung 10 to 12 modules. I think every Saturday po ito 8 p.m. It will run for 2 months. So, nag-aral ka, apply mo, aral ka, apply mo, aral ka, apply mo. Pero mayroon din tayong mga supporting trainings on Thursday and Fridays sa community po natin. So, okay, but this training alone, the chart mastery is intended for every Saturday, 8 p.m. So, if you want to do this one seriously, secure nyo na itong date. Sacrifice lang naman. Ganun talaga eh. Kailangan natin mag-sacrifice. Walang success kung walang sacrifice. So, yung iba nga, kami nga pumunta sa Maynila para mag-aral ng forex trading. Yung iba pumunta sa Singapore para mag-aral ng forex trading. At least at the comfort of your home, yun nga lang, kailangan mo i-discipline na habang nanonood ka lang, but you need to engage yourself in the training itself. Kaya I appreciate doon sa mga nag-a-answer talaga, nag-share ng mga reactions, even violent reactions rather, in the chat box. So, syempre, kung alam mo na yung technical analysis, yung accuracy mo, yung win rate mo, tataas yung win rate mo. At kasi, may mga kasamang indicators. Guys, ito, grabe to. Mayroon akong good news dito, indicators. Indicators po is mga tools po ito na nagko-combine po. By the way, 4 po itong indicators na pwede nating tingnan. 4 na category, pero marami. Mayroon po tayong tinatawag na indicators for trend, like RSI. Okay? Meron tayong indicators for momentum. Okay? Meron tayong tinatawag na indicators for volume, and meron tayong indicators para sa market movement or volatility. Okay? So, volatility. So, those kinds of indicators. Hindi pwedeng lahat ng indicators. Baka kasi same lang. Itong indicator to is pang trend lang. Trend indicators. Pareho sila for volatility. So, nagkakaroon siya ng redundancy. So, meron siyang proper combination of indicators na ibibigay po namin sa inyo doon po sa buong kabuuan po ng chart mastery training ho natin. Okay? And many more. So, like I said, mayroon kaming i-reveal ano itong mga high accuracy or matataas na win rate ng indicator. Doon po namin ibibigay doon sa loob ng to continue with our training na mastery. Okay? So, ang chart mastery po natin every recording po, breaking 152. Wow, grabe. Congratulations, guys. Matira, mayaman. Wow, I like this word. I like this. Matira, mayaman. Siyempre, maraming nag-give up, di ba? Pero buhay naman nila yan. So, ganun talaga. So, matira dito, mayaman. Kasi baka guys, I tell you, reason why naaralin nyo yung forex trading, hindi natin alam kung anong magkakaroon ng kondisyon ng mundo. Everyone shocks with pandemic hits. Hindi alam kung anong ginagawa. Maraming nawawalan ng trabaho. Maraming nawawalan ng negosyo. Pero doon sa mga taong nasa digital space like me, tuloy-tuloy pa rin at kumita ng malaki sa digital. Lalo na sa trading. Kasi nasa bahay ka lang. Swipe ka lang. Ganun. So, hindi natin alam. If I were you, kung OFW ka man, hindi natin alam kung hanggang saan yung gusto mo or yung enthusiasm mo na magtrabaho sa labas at iwan yung pamilya mo. Hindi hanggang saan. So if I were you, habang nasa labas ka, mag-aral ka, i-practice mo kasi pwede naman itong gawin habang during break time or may cellphone ka, may internet ka, pwede mo itong gawin. So patuloy-tuloy yung kita mo dito, pwede ka nang mag-for good. Okay? Kaya matira talaga yung mayaman and be wise. Okay, so yun po. So to sum, how do you call this one? To recap, ito po yung importante na kailangan natin, bakit kailangan natin ma-master itong tinatawag natin na technical analysis para po makita natin, malaman natin yung trend at para po yung kailan tayo pumasok kasi every pasok po, that's gold or I mean dollar. Halata talaga na XAU. Bias sa XAU. Kada pasok po is either dollar loss or dollar gain. Yun lang. So entry and exit. Okay. So, importante yung mga reversals pattern para makikita natin kung tuloy-tuloy ba yung trend niya or magre-reverse na siya. Babalik na siya sa babalikan ka niya. Okay. So, support and resistance. Ito po din, a breakaway or pwede siyang mag-bounce. And then, syempre, ma-improve yung decision making nyo, naka-develop ka ng trading strategy mo, and ma-improve yung accuracy mo gamit ang indicators. Magbibigay po kami ng indicators with the rest of the training po ng Chart Mastery. Okay. Chart Mastery Program. Sinong gustong magpatuloy guys? Sinong gustong magpatuloy sa Chart Mastery natin? Sinong gustong, di ba may nagsabi dito, matira ay mayaman. Sinong gusto matira? Okay, sinong gustong matira? Okay, matira. Remember, this is just an introduction. Tonight, just an introduction. Ito, magbibigay ako ng instruction guys kung paano ito matira. Alam niyo ba na may bayad ang training natin at hindi lang siya mura, mahal. Guys, there's no such thing as free in this world. This charting, it will take you, technical analysis alone, this will take you 3 days, full day, 3 days training to master. Okay. Sa atin is every Saturday lang. Kaya for you to continue this one, may bayad ito. How to join? The cost of the training, it will cost kasama din mga indicators, if yung mga strategy, that will cost you 80,000. 80,000. Matirang mayaman. Gusto mo yumaman? Okay. You pay the price. Ano ibig sabihin na you pay the price? Kailangan magbayad sa training. Ganon. So, mahal o mura? Sino gusto magbayad ng 80,000 for knowledge? Pwede kang kumita 100,000 in 1 week. Okay? Sinong willing? Ay, mura lang. Grabe. Grabe si Prixel. Mura lang. Wow, me. Mura lang. Tama nga naman. Kung titingnan mo talaga, mura lang. Kasi di ba, pag-aaral nga natin sa college, that with ngayon, yung first sem yun, alam ko is nasa mga 100,000 dito sa university namin. So, first sem, that will take you more 4 years, 5 years to study, and hindi natin sure. So, mahal. So, sige, kung gusto nyo mahal, kung mahal nyo yung pamilya at kinabukasan nyo, joke lang. Okay, how about 50% off? Mura na lang. Diba? How about 50% off na lang? Like I said, this kind of training is not ordinary. Dito po, after you this one, you will be an independent trader na. Alam nyo na. You will be independent trader na. Alam nyo na kung anong gagawin. Alam nyo na kung paano pumasok, paano lumabas. Pumasok at lumabas. Paano kumita. Okay, you will develop. You have indicator na tools ibibigay namin sa inyo. You develop your own strategies. After this one, alam nyo na, mayroon ka ng sariling strategy. Alam nyo na. Okay? Alam nyo na. So, this training alone, that will cost you 80,000. Yung iba nga 100,000. But, bibigay nila natin na 40K na lang. Or how about 20K na lang? How about 20K na lang? Okay. 20K. Akala ko ba gusto niyo yung yumaman? Akala mo gusto niyo kumita ng 100,000, 200,000 in trading. Okay? Diba? Lower pa ba? Lower. Gabi. Si Emard. Kana. 20K. Bira. Wow. Bira. Okay. Isang team kami. Nag-aral kami sa Maynila. We spent like 30K 3 days. So, not bad for 20K. Sino dito gusto bonus na lang? Pwede dito lang sa CDO. Goods na yan at 20K. Grabe. Willing talaga. Yung mga taong willing talaga. Ayun, ito, nakita mo yung iba. Saka pa mag-BB. Okay. Willing magbayad. Yun yung mga tao maging successful talaga. Because success is willing to pay the price. Okay. Okay. Para masayaw tayo lahat, ito yung gagawin natin. Ibibigay ko sa inyo as bonus. Bonus na itong training na ito. 12 modules on chart mastery technical analysis. This training will cost you 80,000. But syempre, pag bonus nyo lang, kailangan yung mag-enroll sa economy. So ito, enroll in economy. Meron na kayo dyang ECA kung gusto nyo yung English. Okay? Kung gusto niyo naman yung Tagalog, pwede na to binisayon. So dito tayo. And then meron tayong AI pattern scanner. Meron tayong VIP signals na maraming paldo-paldo sa VIP signals. Ang dami. Meron tayong access to live trading. Meron tayong access sa masterclass. And then meron ding affiliate kung gusto niyo mag-affiliate. Pero tonight, wow. Okay, wow. Bonus na lang. Okay. Pasakay rin mo. Okay. Bonus naman. Yan yung nabito, di mo tingog. Joke lang. Sorry po sa mga Tagalog. Ibig kong sabihin, ito mga Bisaya talaga willing magbayad. Okay. So, pero kailangan guys mag-enroll. Kasi syempre, di ba, 114. Dito natin malaman kung seryoso ka talaga. Okay. Another good news guys is... Ay, wala. Hindi ko na ano yung isang good news ko. Okay. Another good news, guys. You want more good news? Wala, hindi mabuksan. Okay. Wait. Stop sharing. Let me just pull hindi na view yung yung good news. By the way, guys, may mga questions kayo with regards to our topic. Feel free to do so. Good news, good news. You want good news? Okay, wait. I'll just pull my presentations for hindi lumabas yung isa. Naka-blank lang. Baka hindi dapat ibig sabihin baka hindi tonight ibibigay yung yung good news. Baka hindi tonight ibibigay. Okay, good news, good news, good news. Okay. Okay. Another good news, guys. Wait, share screen. Question. Pag-ingon para enrollment coach. Good news din niyo. Sus na, may magbayad na sana ng 20,000. Magbayad na sana ng 20,000. Parang tatlo yan eh. So, but don't worry guys. Kasama na ito. Yung mga hindi alam kung ano yung economy, yung mga nag-invite sa inyo, nagbibigay ng link sa inyo or nag-add sa inyo ng GC, tanungin nyo na lang kung but I think kasi alam na kasi lahat na sa GC. So ito naman is naman ito sa GC. So, guys, ito yung sinasabi ko na good news that I promise you. So we will be having a add-on product or add-on tools na magagamit natin. Kung ayaw mo talagang mag-learn sa manual trade or at the same time pwede kang mag-manual trade na kumita ka agad. Introducing our new Wealth Builder AI Trading. AI Trading, compound your wealth with AI Trading. Wow. Okay. So, pwede kang mag-AI trade while nag-manual trade ka para sure yung kita mo. Ito yung good news. Okay. So, Wealth Builder AI, compound your wealth with the magic of AI Trading. Automate lang. Automatic lang siya. Okay. So, while nagli-learn ka, automatic nagtitrade para sa'yo. Continuous yung profit mo at nagkakaroon siya ng compounding effect or the power of compounding. Stress-free. Actually guys, AI stress-free talaga. At saka long-term. Kasi this AI, mayroon na siyang track record for more than 1 year already. Nag-start to ng October 2023. So more than 1 year now, over a year of proven success. Okay. So, AI trading. Pero guys, isi-share ko lang, hindi ito high gain ha. Hindi ito high risk. Low risk lang ito. Ang purpose nito is nagkaroon siya ng safe. So, ito lang yung gain niya guys. Nag-average siya ng 2% to 3% per month. Pero knowing that it's compounding, pwedeng madoble yung pera mo. So, nakikita nyo naman natin from January to December is wala siyang negative. Lahat positive siya. Kasi ito yung pinaka-legit talaga na AI. Bakit ang liit lang ng gain? Guys, tatapatin ko kayo. Walang AI guys, walang long-term trade na more than 5% sa equity gain. Ano yung ibig sabihin yan? If your goal is 5% tapos 10%, 13%, pwede siyang hindi siya mag-sustain. So pinaka-sustainable talaga for over a year kasi long-term. Sino'y gusto dito tatagal yung pera nila? O sino dito gusto magko-compound yung pera nila? O sino gusto dito mawawala yung pera nila? So kung gusto nyo tatagal yung pera at saka magko-compound, dito tayo sa low risk. Long term pero tuloy-tuloy. Pero mataas din ito Kasi tingnan mo yung result niya for 1 year. Nag 38% din. Sa bangko, siguro 2%, 1% in 1 year. I'm not sure. Hindi ko na kasi tinitingnan yung interest ko sa bangko. For sure, ano yan? Hindi siya mataas. So with this one, at the best thing, pwede mong i-compound. So titingnan mo yung result niya, yung drawdown guys, para dun sa mahilig tumingin ng drawdown, it's only 6%. Ibig sabihin, yung capital mo is 100, yung pinakamalaki mo ng negative for the rest of the year is only 6 USD. Copy? And then meron siyang 71% na win rate sa long, ibig sabihin buy, at saka meron siyang 69% na win rate sa short. This is ideal for long term. Okay, this is ideal for long-term trading. Okay, guys, may papakita ko sa inyo calculation with the power of compounding. Okay, calculation with the power of compounding. Can you see it? Wait. Calculation with the power of compounding. Okay, yes. Ito guys, yung compounding calculator natin. Yung AI natin is compounding. Let's say for example, nag-capital po kayo na 10,000 USD with a 3% weekly gain. And then, long term kasi tayo, you just leave it there for 3 years. So, ano mayayari mo sa 10,000 USD mo? Calculate natin. Wow. Wow. Sorry. Kala ko, ba't ang lumaki? Weekly pala. So, monthly gain lang. O monthly. Malaki pa rin. Ibig sabihin, yung 10,000 mo, nag-gain siya ng 18,000. So, ganito kalaki na. Almost na times 3 yung pera mo. Okay? So, kasi compounding siya. Kung titignan niyo yung chart, ito yung interest, maliit lang. Pero habang tumatagal siya, lumalaki siya. Okay, ito yung compounding natin, guys. By the way, this is free to access sa mga VIP members po natin. Pwede na tayong mag-avail nito, itong compounding. How about maliit lang yung bibigay mo? Bibigay mo dito is kahit 30 USD lang for 1 month. 30 USD. 300 USD lang. 300 USD pero i-compute mo siya na parang savings mo lang. And then monthly, nag-additional ka ng 300, pwede 100 USD, pwede 200, depende. Kasi nagko-compound siya. Okay, nagko-compound siya. Kukompute natin yung hulog-hulog mo na 300 every month. This is good for OFW. Nag-select ka na ng 300 after 3 years, kumita ng interest alone. Interest alone, kumita ng 8,000. Okay? So, how much more kung 5 years? Mas malaki. Okay. Low equity gain, guys, this is the sure way to make money in the forex market na ang tawag nito. Example, guys, example ako. 3 years ago, pumasok ako sa isang business. And my business right now is up and running. Nag-capital ako ng 120,000 or 6 to 7 million actually yung capital ko doon sa business ko. 120. Tama ba? 10. 120 lang. 120,000. Okay? 1.2 pala. Okay. 120 lang. Okay. Yun yung kinapital ko sa business ko. Example lang nag-capital ako. Yung business ko ngayon is up and running na siya for 3 years. And then wala akong dinagdag na monthly, 0 lang. And then example, based dun sa AI natin, meron siyang 3% na equity gain. So kung i-calculate ko dyan, dapat yung 6 million ko or itong 120 million ko, nagiging 347 na siya. That's the power of compounding. So magkano yan? So in peso. So 347,793 times 57. So yung 6 million ko, naging 90 million na. Wow! Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon ka lang? Pero guys, sabi nga nila, the best way to plant a tree is yesterday and today. The best way to get in this, and this is not for everyone. This is for those who are looking for long term na this is AI trading. Cubs, meron ganyan. Okay, wow. Pwede bang monthly? Yes, pwede, monthly. Dagdag mo lang, parang savings lang. Dagdag ka lang ng dagdag. Ang the good thing about this one is every time magdadagdag ka, nako-compound yung interest. Kahit yung growth yan ng dagdag mo at sa yung growth ng interest rate mo, madadag dun sa capital mo. So nagkaroon siya ng compounding effect. So ito yung compounding effect niya. Ito yung compounding. The orange or yellow-orange is the interest na gain mo. And then si blue is the steady capital. Okay, so habang tumatagal siya, kasi yung gain mo every month, madadagdag dun sa principal mo. So nagkakaroon siya ng compounding effect. Okay, yon yung tinatawag natin na AI trading. Okay, so why 2 to 3% forex entry gain is so safe? Because it's low risk. It's low risk. Focus on hindi ka masyadong risky. Imagine mo 6% lang yung drawdown niya for more than 1 year. And then meron siyang compounding growth, and adapt siya ng market. Kasi guys, kapag by the way, si AI kapag hindi low risk at umabot ng tinatawag natin na mga extreme market condition, high volatility, pwede siyang masunog. Personally, hindi ito sa ibang grupo. 2 times na ako nasunugan ng AI trading. Kaya mas na-appreciate ko itong tinatawag natin dito na low risk lang, importante safe. Meron kang protection. 2 to 3% lang per month is very safe and it's sustainable, okay? So, kita niyo naman may track record siya. This one is 2024 lang, walang negative. Okay, walang negative. Kita niyo naman, okay? So, actually, meron tayong pangalawang AI but later na yan. So, how do you access this one? Doon sa mga nag-invite sa inyo, i-ask nyo lang sa mga sponsor sa inyo so that magbibigay kami ng instruction kung paano ma-access itong tinatawag natin na AI trading. Goods po talaga, low risk. At least long time yung kita mo. Yes, dagdagan mo lang per month kung wala kang like 10,000 na kaagad. Pero I'll just talk with someone earlier. Coffee lang makasama natin ng mga traders dito sa amin. I'll just talk and mayroon ng 3 tao na lalagay daw sila ng malaki. Safe naman guys kasi yung AI trading natin guys, ipapasok natin sa Light Finance. So alam naman natin ang Light Finance is 19 years na in the market. So actually yung Light Finance is mas matanda pa kasi isang bank, other banks. So 19 years na siya. Tapos it's very And you can start with 300 USD, okay? Yung sabi niya pero need mo mag-enroll. Yeah, kailangan mag-enroll to avail. Walay possibility of losses. Meron. Kaya meron tayong tinatawag na tawag dito is win rate. So makita niyo naman yung win rate niya is sa long possession 71 and then sa short possession 69. So win rate niya is 70. Pero mas marami pa yung panalo. Okay? But, okay, guaranteed po yan. Yes, guaranteed po ito kasi low risk lang. Siyempre, kung gusto niyo yung guaranteed, dapat low risk lang. May mga talo pa rin. But overall, kita niyo naman yung data. The data speaks for itself na lang. Ganun lang kasimple. We'll just let the data speaks for itself. Kasi bihira, guys, makikita kayo ng data for 1 year result ng trading. 300 depende sa iyo. Actually, guys, walang lock-in ito ha. Walang lock-in. Bukas lumabas kayo, gusto niyo i-withdraw, you can withdraw anytime. Actually, account niyo ito. Meron kayong account sa Light Finance, sa inyo yung password, pwede niyo ma-withdraw anytime, walang lock-in. Okay? Pwede niyo rin i-long term. By the way, Light Finance will be celebrating 20 years na. So, ganun na sila katagal and one of the top broker sa buong mundo. Pwede ba mag-adjust? No. Because it's already set. Pero kung gusto kang medyo mataas yung risk appetite mo, meron tayong pangalawang AI na i-share dyan. Cubs. Wow. Cubs Nars. Gusto ko itong Kabayan. Kabayan Maria. Cubs Maria. Nawala ako, narinig masyadong compounding. Maganda yun. Pero how much yung starting capital? 300 po. Okay, sir, guaranteed siya. May monthly subscription sa economy, magkano ang monthly subscription sa AI? Sa AI, walang good news, walang monthly subscription. Okay, as long as nag-enroll kayo sa economy, then you're good to start. Requirements lang po is mag-enroll lang po kayo. So, to the, may mga days na you don't like to use the tools kasi hindi ka makapag-trade and you just leave your AI trading na lang with us, then no problem. You can continue. Okay? Guys, like I said, itong chart mastery natin is mag-start siya yung this one is parang overview and introduction lang. This Saturday ho, free po ito sa mga lahat na mag-enroll. So if I were you, mag-enroll na kayo. Sulit na sulit yung enrollment nyo, guys. VPS, zero. Zero VPS. Meron lang siyang konting basta walang VPS. Wala siyang VPS. Meron siyang konting commission, pero very, very minimal. Pag profit, okay? Pag syempre po, pero makikita niyo naman yung track record, okay? So kung enrolled na kayo, you can ask your leaders, your mga sa sino, as which coaches you belong para po mag-guide po kayo kung paano po kayo mag-avail po sa tinatawag natin na AI trading po natin. Specific app to download, MT5, brother. MT5. Okay? So yung mga hindi pa nag-enroll, pwede na kayong mag-enroll para po makapag-avail po kayo. And then marami pa po yung may enjoy ninyo. Mayroon po kayong mga pattern scanner, mga tools doon, VIP signals. Grabe, VIP signals natin last week. Grabe. Paldong-paldo, napakataas yung win rate. Alright, guys, some questions, guys. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and we will make this one a week. Tomorrow, meron tayong webinar, introduction po, yung traditional webinar po natin. 8 p.m. po, pwede po kayong mag-invite ng friend kung gusto nyo talaga sa forex trading. How much po yung enrollment? Sa economy po is 129.49 USD lang. Hindi lang yung AI ha, mayroon kayong training dito sa atin, Tagalog version na gagawin natin. Meron ding English dun sa website kung gusto nyo. Meron dito yung AI pattern scanner, live trading, marami pang access. Separate payment ang VIP, hindi po. Kasama po yan. Kapag ka na-enroll po kayo sa economy, sasama po namin kayo sa VIP namin na community or sa GC. Yun na yun. Wala ka ng other payment doon. Ang next na gagawin mo dyan is yung mo na lang sa trading mo. Yung pang-initial mo na lang sa trading mo. Alright? 1, 2, 3 questions, guys. Maraming salamat sa mga kababayan natin. By the way, guys, pwedeng pa-open ang camera. Picture taking muna tayo. Well, balik sa akong cellphone, B. Guys, picture taking muna tayo kasi ito yung ilalagay ko sa magazine. That ito yung mga taong nag-pay the price. Ito yung mga taong inaral talaga yung forex trading. Ito yung mga tao talaga na, okay yan, napasuklay tuloy si madam. Ang gaganda pala ng mga Cubs natin. Ang katawa ng kamama. Nanood live. Pa-picture mo punta lisod. Mahirap nang pa-picture tayo nagka-gulo-gulo. Okay. So, smile naman dyan. Uy, ang popogi. 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright. Wait. Next page. Actually, marami po tayong pahina number 2. Okay. Ay, hindi to yung mga magaganda. I'm sorry. Mas maganda itong sa pahina number 2. 1, 4, 3, 2. Okay, pahina number. Namiya naman ang uban, oy. Dito mo tagaan og kindi. All right, guys, thank you so much, guys. Updating lang po yata. Okay, thank you so much, guys. God bless everyone.
Thank you.
Ito po ginagawa po natin, guys, para po lahat na nag-enroll sa economy is sulit talaga.
Thank you, Coach.
Enroll nila.
Salamat, Coach. Salamat. Bye-bye.
Nakakuha ng mga mayroong Tagalog version na trading. Pero we wanna make it sure, guys, na lahat tayo is kumikita ng maganda, maging profitable tayo sa 2025. Okay? Maging profitable tayo sa 2025, makabayad tayo yung utang, ano yung gusto nating gawin sa buhay natin. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless.
Salamat, Coach.
Glory po.
Thank you.